Tired of printing, signing, and scanning documents the old-fashioned way? Docusign streamlines the entire signing process, and it all starts right here, in your email. Let's walk through how to Docusign directly from your email in just a few easy steps. First, locate the Docusign email in your inbox. It'll typically come from Docusign and will clearly state that a document requires your signature. Open the email and look for a button that says something like Review Document, Sign Document, or a similar call to action. Click on this button. Clicking the button will redirect you to the Docusign platform in your web browser. You might be asked to agree to Docusign's terms and conditions, so go ahead and review them and click Agree to proceed. Once the document loads, you'll see any instructions that the sender included. Docusign will guide you through the document, highlighting the areas where your signature, initials, or other information is needed. Click on the designated fields. You'll likely have the option to adopt a pre-formatted signature, draw your own, or upload an image of your signature. Choose the option that works best for you. Continue filling out all required fields, following Docusign's prompts. Once you've completed all the fields, look for a Finish button, typically located at the top or bottom of the document. Click Finish. After clicking Finish, you might be asked to download a copy of the signed document for your records. Docusign will also send you an email confirmation that the document has been signed and sent back to the sender, and that's it. You've successfully Docusigned a document directly from your email.